What's up? It's Elaine. Happy Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to show you guys a fall Thanksgiving makeup. I already did my skin makeup with my favorite CC cream from It. So I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use my Anastasia. Today I'm going to go for a little bit more arched, full, and dark eyebrows. From the start, I am going to draw each hair to look natural. And then for the back, I'm going to outline it and fill it. And brush the front so it looks natural. Like that. Ding! For blush, I am going to mix two colors. One is this orange one from Rom&nd and another pink one from PeriPera. I'm going to put it right there and above where my nose ends. Also going to connect my nose. Then my second color. Looking like this. For my eyes, I'm going to put that light brown shade all over my eyelid, avoiding my brow bone. And also going to connect it to my bottom lid as well. And next, I'm going to put this brown orange color a little bit below the previous color. Like around where I could feel my eyeball when I'm like putting it around. Yeah, I'm just going to blend them together. And I'm going to use the same color for my bottom lid as well. I'm going to connect it to my top eyeshadow. For today's makeup, the top and the bottom is going to be the same method. Next, with that color, I am going to put it even lower than the previous orange color. We're going to try to make it natural as possible and try to blend the orange and the brown color. Make sure the brown eyeshadow is appearing when you open your eyes. And same for the lower part of my eye, I'm going to put the dark color. And on the edges, I'm going to take it out as usual instead of connecting to my top eyeshadow. And for my waterline, I was thinking about doing a brown pencil eyeliner, but I just want to do white. I don't know why, but I feel white. For my eyes could look a little bit bigger too, you know? Next, for my eyeliner, I'm going to use my favorite NYX Epic Ink liner. I'm going to make this girl sharp and visible. I like to do my wing first and then connect with my front and the middle part. Like that, looking good. And I'm gonna do the mission impossible of creating the twin. Next, for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna use my Etude House. You can't even see the name. And I'm gonna apply it very thick and long today. Because we are putting falsies. That's right, I am putting Evrylashes, patent pending falsies. I'm gonna use a dual glue. I'm going to start applying from the middle, and then the edge, and then the front. And I like when the front is more higher and the end is like lower, so I'm trying to do that. But it didn't really work, so whatever, it's cool. Bam! And I'm also going to apply mascara for my top lashes to be more visible, that I could like balance it out, you know? Finally, time for my lips. I'm gonna use this red color and a little bit toned down color. I'm gonna mix them too until I find the right color for myself. I kind of really like that color just like that, but I'm still gonna add it for like a darker look. A little bit more. I think it is done. Yay! This video is over. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!